G'day, Brenton here, VK2MEV, out in the winter sun. I've just been doing a weekend of antenna experiments, and I wanted to document some conclusions. Firstly, the delta loop that I talked about in a previous video, nowhere near as good as an inverted V with a 9 meter feed point. So scratch that. Same deal with the inverted V on 20 meters. A ground-mounted vertical was worse, but I persevered, and I really wanted to try and make something that was better than the inverted V dipoles on 20 and 40 using the squid poles I bought, and I ended up working out that a vertical with elevated radials is actually better. So here's the 20 meter elevated radial vertical. That was actually better than an inverted V on 20 meters with a 9 meter feed point. So I'm just tripping over the wires there. What we've got here is a 1-to-1 balun at the feed point, single radiator going up the squid pole. There she goes, and 3 radials. And in order to reduce the ground losses, what I've done here is I've just isolated them from the ground a little bit with this rope, and that rope then goes to a temp peg there. And I found that was pretty good. Got a good report from ZL that this was better than the dipole with a 9 meter feed point. After doing that, I went on and made another one for 15 meters. Haven't tested this one thoroughly. The SWR is good and all the wires are cut, so I might just test this one at 15 meters another time, because I've got to head back, but it's very much the same deal. Vertical radiator, quarter wavelength, 1-to-1 balun at the feed point, and 3 radials that are isolated with rope, and then come down to just a temp peg there, nothing special. Both of these squid poles are 7 meter squid poles, and the comparison antenna was mounted on this guy here, which is used to be a 10 meter squid pole, but it's been damaged a bit in the top sections, as you would expect. And so that's now sort of a nominal 9 meter feed point for an inverted V 20 and 40 meter dipoles. On 40 meters, that one's the ticket. Certainly the inverted V dipole was better on that than a ground-mounted vertical on 40. So yeah, that's the weekend's experience.